We are in exercise 8.2 up to question number 6 already taught to you. Now today I'll teach you question number 7. The digit at the tens place of a 2-digit number is 3 times the digit at the ones place. If the sum of this number and the number formed by reversing its digits is 88, then find the number. For 2-digit number we need 2 places, ones and tens. Let the ones place digit be x. So tens place digit they said 3 times. That means it will be 3x. So let the ones place digit be x, tens place digit is 3x. Therefore the number, as per Indian place value system, tens place, that is 10 into 3x plus 1 into x, that is 10 3s are 30x plus x becomes 31x. So the number is 31x. Same thing I have done here. So ones place you can select by x, tens place they said 3x. Therefore the number is 10 into 3x plus 1 into x, which is 30x plus x becomes 31x. Now as per question, sum of this number and number formed by reversing the digit is 88. So original number is 31x, then reverse number will be 13x because 31 reverse is 13. Together makes 88 is given in the question. These two together gives us 44, x equals to 88. X is equal to 88 by 44, which is 2. Therefore, the number is 31 into x, x is 2. So 31 into 2 becomes 62. Now question number 8. The length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 4 cm. If length and breadth are each increased by 3, then area of the new rectangle will be 81 square centimeter more than that of the given rectangle. Find the length and breadth of the given triangle. So they told us length of the rectangle exceed means more than the breadth by 4. So you select the breadth first. Let the breadth of the rectangle be x. Therefore length of the rectangle will be x plus 4 cm because length will exceed means more. Then area of the original rectangle, length into breadth, x plus 4 into x. Don't use the unit here. Now they told that length and breadth are each increased by 3. So if the length and breadth are each increased by 3 cm, then the new length and new breadth will be, original length was x plus 4. So new length will be x plus 4 plus 3, that is x plus 7, and new breadth will be x plus 3. Because length and breadth both they are telling us to increase by 3. Therefore area of the new rectangle, length into breadth, x plus 7 into x plus 3. As per question, this new area comparing to old area, it is 81 more. So new area is equal to, that is your original area plus 81. Now multiplication, x into first, x square, x into 3, 3x, 7 into x, 7x, 7 3s are 21. Here x into x, x square, 4 into x, 4x plus 81. All the variable parts bring this side. X square, 3x plus 7x becomes plus 10x. X square comes here means minus, 4x comes here means minus, 21 goes there means minus. Plus minus same thing can cancel. 10 minus 4 becomes 6x, that side 60, x is equal to 10. Therefore length and breadth of the given rectangle are, length is x plus 4, that is 10 plus 4, 14 cm, and breadth is x is 10, so 10 cm. Another question, same category, question number 9. An altitude of a triangle is 5/3 the length of its corresponding base. That means altitude they said 5/3 of the base. If the altitude were increased by 4 and base is decreased by 2, then the area of the triangle would remain the same. Find the base and altitude. Let the base of the triangle be x. So altitude of the triangle will be 5/3 into x. Therefore area of the triangle, half into base into height. This is your base, this is your height. Height means altitude. After multiplication it becomes 5/6 x square. Now they told us to increase the altitude by 4 cm and base decrease by 2 cm. So new altitude and base will be, original altitude was 5/3x. Now new will be 5/3x plus 4 because it is increasing 4, and base will be x minus 2. Area of the new triangle, half into, this is your base, this is your height. As per question, they told that the new area and old area both are same. So new area is equal to old area. Half into, this one will multiply first. X into first one, 5/3x square. X into second one, 4x. Minus 2 into first one, only numerator should be multiplied, that is minus 10/3x minus plus minus 8 equals to this. Now half into first one, half into second one, half into third one, half into fourth one, you have to multiply. Half into first one will give you 5 by 6 x square. This into second one, 2 and 4 will be cancelled, that will be 2x. This into third one, 2 and 10 will be cancelled, that will be minus 5 by 3x. This and this 2 and 8 will be cancelled, that will be minus 4 is equal to this. That only I wrote here. 5 by 6 x square plus 2x after cancellation with half minus 5 by 3x minus 4 equals to this. This one bring this side, number you can send that side. Plus minus same thing, cancel it, remaining these two and that side 4. LCM 3 to the 6x minus 5x equals to 4. 3 4s are 12, 6 minus 5 1x. So value of x is coming 12. So the base and altitude of the triangle are, base is 12 centimeter and altitude 5 by 3 into base, that is 5 by 3 into 12. After cancellation it becomes 20 centimeter. With this I'll conclude today.